Okay, man. I'm at a brand new POTA location for me. Kilo 6672, the Fish Point State Game Lake area in Michigan, at the tip of the thumb on the coastline of Lake Huron. And my friend Fred, AC3 Lima Zulu, is spotting me right now as we speak. And he's probably already done. And I'm gonna try to record the chaos. I've tried so hard, and it's really hard to do. And right now, my phone is set up on a printed circuit board Panavice from the '80s. It's all I have. That's all I have. So that being my best excuse, let's see what happens here, man. Let's see what happens. I gotta see the time. 21:05, huh? 21:06 now. Not a carrier. No. I've already set the Z match. I've got a perfect match. I'm gonna turn on my ALC display. Check my mic gain. Should be good. Check my power max. Let's go. You ready? Blozo says, let's go. Thank you, Fred. I appreciate that. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo in K6672. Kilo is 6672, Fish Point State Game Lake area, Michigan. Over. Nothing?
Victor Echo 3, November Echo Papa.
Victor Echo 3, November Echo Papa, I believe you said. Go ahead.
QSL, you're 5757. Somebody tuning up on you, but in the clear, you're 57 QSL.
QSL, the 5-7. I thank you for that. Thank you. Yeah, I heard a carrier appear just a moment ago. You are a 5-9. You're 5-9 in Kilo 6672 from November 8, November Kilo. Over.
See.
CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the Air. This is November 8, November Kilo, November 8, November Kilo in K6672. Over.
Kilo,
Okay, I'm recording this for YouTube, so I was writing something down. I believe I heard one ending in Oscar, ending in Romeo.
Kilowatt 9, Delta X-ray Romeo, over.
Ooh, I had my volume turned up. You're very loud. You are a 5-9 in a K6672 from N8NK. Over.
QSL 59 plus 10 into Illinois. Thanks for the activation. Kilo 9 Delta X-ray radio, 73. EC3.
73.
Pennsylvania.
November 3, X-ray Lima Sierra.
November 3, X-ray Lima Sierra. Go ahead.
Pennsylvania, Kilo Charlie 3, Papa, India Papa. Back to somebody else.
November 3, X-ray Lima Sierra.
Roger, couldn't hear you over the QRF. 44 here in Pennsylvania, QSL.
QSL, thank you for the 44. You are 56, 56, 56 in K6672 from N8NK, over.
Roger, roger. Thank you and good luck. 73.
73, Papa India Papa.
Kilo Charlie 3, Papa, India Papa, Pennsylvania.
Kilo Charlie 3, Papa India Papa. Thanks for the call. You are strong 5'9" in K6672 from N8NK, over. Kilo Charlie 3, Papa India Papa.
This Kilo Charlie 3, Papa, India Papa. Yeah, the band just went south here. Sorry, I can't give you a signal report because you're going to be like a 2-2 over here.
QSL. Well, thank you for trying. QRZ.
November 4, Sierra Uniform.
Whiskey Bravo 8, Charlie, Papa Golf.
Ending in uniform, please go ahead.
November 4, Echo Sierra Uniform. You are 5-5 into New York City.
Thank you for the 5-5 in the great state of New York. I appreciate it. You are 5'9", in Kilo 6672 from November 8, November Kilo, over.
Roger, roger. Thank you for the activation. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Charlie Papa Golf. Ending in Charlie Papa Golf.
November Tango 2, Alpha.
November Tango 2 Alpha. Thanks for the call. You're 5'9" in K6672 from N8NK, over.
QSL, good afternoon. You're 5'3", New York, over.
QSL, the 5'3" in New York. Thank you, 73.
73. Sierra Bravo.
Again, please. QRZ.
Kilo Charlie 3, India Delta Zulu.
Kilo Charlie 3, India Delta Zulu. Nice signal. You're 5'9" in Park K6672 from N8NK, over.
QSL in the 5'9", you're 5'5" in the southwestern Pennsylvania, about 25 miles north of Pittsburgh. Hey, have a good day. Thanks for taking my call. Thanks for the activation in 73.
Thank you for the call and the patience. 73, old man. QRZ. Ooh, again, please. Again, please, QRZ.
Kilowatt 4, Charlie Alpha Echo.
Kilowatt 4, Charlie Alpha Echo. Thank you. You are 5'9", in K6672, Fish Point State Game Area, Mid-Michigan, over.
Kilo 4, Charlie Alpha Echo. Good afternoon, Chuck. You are 5'9" into Sierra Charlie, South Carolina. 59 South Carolina. Have a great weekend, Chuck. 7-3.
Thank you, sir. 73. You're 15 dB over 9, by the way. 15 over 9 from the field here. I appreciate it. 73. QRZ.
Whiskey Bravo 8, Charlie Papa Golf.
Whiskey Bravo 8, Charlie Papa Golf. Go ahead.
QSL, Chuck. Yeah, you are a 5'5" in Ohio. 5'5" in Ohio. QSL.
Oh, QSL, you're allowed 5'9" in Kilo 6672 from November 8, November Kilo. QSL.
QSL, fine business. Thank you very much. Have a great activation, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, QRZ.
Charlie 9, India Lima 2, Bravo, X-Ray Hotel. Charlie 9,
Whiskey 3, America,
Echo.
X-ray.
Okay, I wrote down several partials, and I'm going to work these 3 calls and then stop my YouTube recording. I think I heard a Whiskey Charlie 9.
Kilo Charlie 9, India Lima.
Oh yes, Kilo Charlie 9, India Lima. Beautiful signal. You're 5-9 in Park K6672. Over.
QSL, you've got a great signal up here near Chicago in Illinois. You're also 5 and 9. Thank you for the activation and have a great time.
Thank you, 73. Let's see here. I have Kilo, let's see. I have ending in hotel.
Kilo Alpha 2 Bravo X-ray Hotel.
Okay, a loud signal, but I had a carrier again. Bravo X-ray Hotel.
Kilo Alpha 2 Bravo X-ray Hotel. You're 555 in New Jersey. Over.
QSL, thank you for the 5-5 from New Jersey. You are 5-9. You are 5-9 in Park K6672 from November 8, November Kilo. Over.
QSL, and thanks for the activation. 73.
73, and I think I heard an Alpha Charlie 9.
Alpha Charlie America 9, November Echo.
Alpha Charlie 9, November Echo. Thank you for the call. Nice signal. You're 5-9 in K6672 from November 8, November Kilo. Over.
Okay, thank you, Chuck. You're 5-5, 5-7, 5-8. The band's going up and down. QSB, lots of QSB, Chuck. But copy you 100%, and thank you for part number Kilo 6672. Thanks for another new part. Good luck, 73.
Thank you for your patience and for being willing to work me. Okay, guys, I'm going to pause for 15 seconds and stop my recording. I'll be right back.
Whiskey 3 America Delta X-ray.